guys, today I want to teach you how to graph systems of inequalities using Desmos. Now we've done inequalities, you did that in 1A, but just to review a couple of things that you're seeing on my screen here, you might want to write some of this down. In systems of inequalities, if you recall, the lines are linear, so they're either in y equals mx plus b or ax plus by equals c. That means slope-intercept form or standard form. But now we're going to add some shading. So here's the rules that you have to remember for the lines, and then we'll put the shading in Desmos. If the inequality is a less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, the line is solid. This means that any point on the line is a solution to that line or to that inequality. If the inequality is less than or greater than, the line will be dashed or dotted, depending on which word you use. This means that a point on the line is not a solution to the inequality. You will be asked to determine the common shaded region where two inequalities intersect. It will be what I call a double shaded region. So I'm going to go over here to Desmos. So in Desmos, you're actually going to type in the two inequalities that you're given. Make sure you type the whole thing. And notice it did the shading for me. So if you notice, it is a dotted line because it is greater than, and the shading is that big pink area. I'm going to add a second one. X plus y is greater than 2. Nope, sorry, wrong one. Y is greater than or equal to. And if you actually just hit greater than or equal to on your keyboard, it automatically puts that there for you. Negative 2x plus 3. And if you look there, you see I have this pink area here, this green area here, and where you see the double shading, that's actually my solution. So on a quiz or test question, it might put A, B, C, D. And the question might say, please tell me which region is the solution to the system of inequalities, and is it A, B, C, or D? And then you would have to select the right one. I know, I'm just being silly. So I just wanted to make sure you knew how to do that. And so for this one, you would select A. So let me erase all those out. So I'm going to show one more, and this one's just going to be a little different, but not by much. So I'm going to change my first inequality to be x plus y is greater than 2, and 2x minus y is greater than 1. Now you see here, both of them are dotted lines. There was a solid line on the last one, but both of these are dotted lines, which means none of the points directly on the lines are solutions. So if the question was A, B, C, or D, which region is the solution to the system of inequalities? If you saw that it's B, you got it right. So now you're ready to go in and do the assignment.